Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll guide you through how to create an AI image generator app on your own just using vibe coding using the new Gemini 3 tool on Google AI Studio. So without further ado, let's get started. First, what we're gonna do is go through the workflow that I built for creating the tool. So what the tool will do is actually create multiple images in a bulk way. So rather than creating a single image just using a prompt, you can actually decide whether you want 10 images or 20 images or maybe 100. And then after like giving the prompt and selecting the quantity on how many images you want, once you generate, then it will automatically generate 10 or 100 images. And once the tool generates all the images, it will then show you an option using which you can either download the images one by one or download all the images in a single click on a zip file. So that's one of the like unique feature of this tool. And this is the prompt which you will use to create the tool. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm just gonna copy the first part of the prompt. So it's actually a bulk history image generator tool. So I will just show you the rest of the process using just this workflow. But if you want, you can actually tweak the prompt on your own way. So here I am on Google AI Studio. So for making this tool, what you have to do is first upload an image file from your desktop. So I will just upload a vintage photo and then I will just describe what the image is all about. So this is actually the image prompt of the sample image that I added in the chat, and then I will give the rest of the prompt to the AI, and what it will do is analyze the image and caption and create a bulk option software for more historical content like this. And we will also have a option to generate 10, 50 or 100 images, and after that the images can be downloaded either in a zip file or separately one by one. So let's just build the tool, and as you can see the AI is building the tool. So let's wait and see the result. So as you can see, the tool has already been generated by the AI. So let's test it out. So first, what we're gonna do is give it a prompt, maybe 1950s harvest in USA during autumn by your family. And if you want like extra prompt like specific lighting condition camera types, you can also do that. The AI actually just come up with this idea on their own, so it's a good touch. And then you can select the aspect ratio, which is also a good touch generated by the AI, and you can also select the quantity. I'll just input 5 for the sake of this video, and then you can also select different style. Wow, I mean that's also a good touch. Let's hit on bulk generate and see what the AI generates for us. I'll just hit the full screen and see how the AI looks on a full screen as a web app. And as you can see, the AI has already generated one of the images and it's generating four more. And here's another one, and here's another one, and the last one is being generated. And as you can see in the left hand side, it's also giving you the system logs. And as you can see, all the four images have been generated. And if you click on download, we can download images separately. But for some weird reasons, the images are being downloaded as a text file rather than a PNG file. So we'll have to prompt the AI to fix this. And if we click on download all zip and allow, and you can see we have downloaded a zip file. And if you click on the zip file, oh yeah, so if you download it as a zip file, we can see the AI will give you a PNG version of the image. So that's how easy it is to create an AI image generator tool using Google Gemini AI Studio. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching and have a good day.